Hi everyone, in this video I have this 8th generation budget iPad with me and I will be testing this iPad to see if it can replace your everyday computer or not. So to give you some more details about this product, I am using the Wi-Fi variant which has 32 gigs base storage. So just like every other Apple product, this iPad comes with Lightning adapter, which is obviously very limited. So to extend the capabilities of this iPad, I purchased this Lightning to USB 3 adapter. So to start with the most basic thing, which is the keyboard and the mouse, I will be connecting this USB receiver with the USB 3 adapter. Setup is ready, and as you can see, I'm able to move left, right with the mouse. So it's acting like a touch. I have to hold the mouse key and swipe left, right. And as you can see, the keyboard is working as well. The best part about this is I am using a Windows keyboard and I can still use all the shortcuts of the iPad. It's just like using a MacBook. You have to hold your Windows button and press tab to switch between applications. And even the Spotlight search is working. So to replace your everyday computer, this thing has to perform multitasking. To try that, I'm going to split the screen by keeping the App Store on the left and Safari on the right hand side. As you can see, I can resize the windows. I can even control Safari on the right hand side. I can search for new websites. So both the windows are functional, and it's quite good if you have plans on watching YouTube on the left side and typing something on the right hand side. But the only problem is the screen is a bit smaller. Next, I'm testing this wired gaming controller by Redgear. As soon as I connected this game controller with the iPad, I got a warning that cannot use this accessory. I think it's because of the high power consumption of the game controller, like all these vibration motors, LEDs and all. Okay, but don't be disappointed because you can still use all your wireless controllers that you get from PlayStation or Xbox. They are going to work for sure. Next thing on my list is this Samsung portable SSD T5 model. So this has a storage capacity of 512 gigs. And obviously you need storage because this iPad, the base variant, has only 32 gigs. So I'm making the connection right now. Let's open the File app and check if this iPad can detect the SSD or not. I'm able to access all the files. So if you have plans to transfer data between any external SSD, then yes, it's going to work with the iPad. Next product on the list is this WD external hard drive. Honestly, I'm not expecting this hard drive to work with the iPad because again, this has a higher power consumption when you compare it to the SSD. And as expected, it's not coming in the files area no matter how many times I refresh. I even tried connecting external power to the dongle, hoping it might work, but it didn't. To sum up this video, if your usage only consists of editing documents, editing Excel sheets, or if you've just started coding and you can shift your workflow on websites like Replit or Kaggle, then yes, this can be your perfect companion. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.